With your leading story this evening, we start with this. Approximately 50 residents of Dokwangiti hostel in Rudaport are standing firm in their refusal to leave the premises after receiving an eviction notice, allegedly from the new landlords. Now, the residents allege that they have been instructed to move to a nearby hostel that has limited space and questionable safety conditions. They argue that this infringes on their human rights.
Bavelelwe ingwadla abahlali basehostela kwaNgidi njengoba ke banikezwe usuku lwanamhlanje ukuba baphume baphele kuleli hostela kulandela izinhlelo zesakhiwo esisha. Labahlali bathi abakwazi ukusuka endaweni asebehlele iminyaka bayoncikiswa endaweni engaphephile.
Into esidlayo lana bafuna ukudiliza basikhuphela ngaphandle. Yes, ba right badilize ngokuhlobo ngokutsho kwabo bathi masiyephi uyabona. Bahamba ke bayobabonisa abanye indawo kuthiwa kusezinjeni eklo ne mabe sisithi siyayibona le ndawo lihlathi.
What about thina esinale minyaka leyo abantwana bami bathi ngibasabi if nginendle ekhaya ngabe ngiyahamba.
Into engizwisa ubhlungu manje ngisuke kuhlathi thuhlathi ngibuye eCrystal Park ngihlala ehlathini esigangeni. Ngiyabuya futhi ngizalana ngihlala esigangeni futhi ngibanjwe inkunzi lana last la ngabantu inkunzi ngathathela zonke izinto zami ngabotsotsi. Again futhi baphinda bangisaka uhlathi futhi uthi kumele sohlala khona lapha ehlathini. Savumelana singumphakathi uthi guys asiyilweni le labothi singayohlala ehlathini and futhi into silela ukuthi bakhiphe ifence and lana kunabantwana abotsotsi bayangena. Ni same day beceda ukukhipha ifence kwabanjwa inkunzi.
Sinengxaki njoba sihlala lana kule ndawo basisa kuyo sinabantwana bafunda ama-brandfish sizohamba esigangeni abantwana bazoreyithwa sizoba kude nezikolo.
Only problem is serious mo. So serious it is because some of us it was gangeni sana sa Crystal Park mo diliswe matlo ka baka la project ina na ngizola mpilo ona no nawe samthoki. Okay ara tlo sa mo le dintlo ntsela ya ba hore batho bane ba owner dintlo tseo ba di dilisa ba rekisa material.
Labahlali abalinganiselwa kwama-50 bathi ke abanye babo sekuphele iminyaka engaphezulu kwe10 behlala kule ndawo kanti ke lokhu kwenzakala manje abakuqondi neze. NgoLwesithathu kwelakusasa kuwusuku lomnqamulajuqu ukuba baqoqe konke okungokwabo baphele kule ndawo. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV, ngikuNokulunga Mthembu ngise Rudaport.